Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking recipe. Recipe for today, some cheese dumpling. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. So I add some caramel right there, some salt, some flour. I'm gonna show them prepare my dough. I'm gonna show them step by step. Some add some vanilla also, not really enough, just taste and flavor. I'm gonna show them more ingredients. I'm gonna add to my cheese dumpling. So I'm gonna show them from scratch. Add some brown sugar. Remember, not really enough, just taste and flavor same way. You can make your recipe how you like it, but me like my one spicy and nice. So add some baking powder, not really enough. That dumpling just nice and spongy and soft. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. So I add 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add a little more because I want my dumpling extra soft and nice. So I'm starting by spin it up. Normally that's it, I rub it up together, combine together. So I just start knead it up. Even though I want everything to combine together, right? I'm gonna add some water to it. So I go on myself and thing and knead it up and things. See the dough there? So I add some extra baking powder to it. I want it soft and nice. So I just squeeze it up to get it dough how me want it, right? So you know, say a cheese fried dumpling. Add that cheese still. Alright. I add some callaloo alongside, vegetable on the side, yeah, add that it again for the cheese. So see the dough there now. See the cheese and the middle. So now make it combine together. Remember a cheese fried dumpling. You can do it how you like it. But that's how me like it, and I do it that way, right? Yeah, so I'm add the cheese to the middle now. Yeah, see me there go on myself and thing. I'm add it that way, I'm start roll it up. At the end them lock up. So I can press it out, roll it, yeah. Lumberjack can go on himself, so I can roll it, and I want it. Yeah, and them lock up and thing now. Right, my pants basic. I mean, I don't really like vice video and thing, but hey, that day, so me dough there and thing now. Cheese dumpling same, yeah, so I continue vicing and thing, yeah. So I press it out how me want it, right? So nice, there's 6 nice. One of them have some more dough right there. I have some steamed vegetable callaloo, I have some more cheese, yeah. So you know, so I just use some of the cheese, but really enough of the cheese. So I add and thing now. Remember, please don't make it oil extra hot. Dumpling will burn up, make oil normally on a temperature. You put in the dumpling, just go and take your time, slow fry. Right? Yeah, so I'll cover that, make it go and steam fry. So you know, say a lumberjack the chef in the kitchen, yeah. So make it go and fry for 5 minutes, yeah. So then now well golden brown, see all the cheese will leak out there, you know, enough cheese night and thing. Make them go and fry, yeah, cover it. Go and steam fry, yeah. Another update on it there. See cheese there well nice and I run like a patty cocoa bread. I tell you, delicious. Remember Jamaican cooking lumberjack, please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment. The recipe nice, delicious, eatable, tastable, finger licking. So another update, see Callaloo, so well ready, spice up and nice up and thing, yeah. So I'm starting by turning my dumpling and thing now. I know so them well golden brown, fry and well golden brown and thing. Remember, please turn down the fire high, dumpling will burn up. And remember, some black dumpling, if you cannot eat it in a nice taste away. Alright, remember, say I near the word my lips, so I hear the camera pass in the voice, in the voice over. I'm not feeling away, right? Yes, I have some cheese left and thing, and the dumpling well fry and brown and the callaloo eatable. I tell me there, hunger feet type dumpling, I tell you, say, yo, out around water, dumpling up to eat, hot like a fire top, yo, it burn, you know, start. Oh, hot aisle. But the parts of dumpling and think I know say dumpling taste nice, eatable. But it's still a burn. See cheese are run there. Run like a butter. Yo, cheese dumpling nice, man. I'm telling you, like, please, I'm gonna try it, leave a comment and tell me about it. The recipe are nice, delicious, finger licking. So you know say guys, another update again. On cheese dumplings that run out, you know, and thing, you know, say well nice, and I go turn them. I'm telling you, I near the road time I live, so they took my pass on the video. Now the voice over and I feel like you see the cheese dumpling are well nice and thing, and the cheese are round. You can see the dumpling well fried proper. No rawness, I say it's spongy and nice. Yeah, delicious, eatable. Please remember like and share. It's a recipe eatable. Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. I'm gonna eat the cheese fried dumpling, some callaloo. Yeah. See the presentation there, dumpling well golden brown and see cheese and thing the callaloo well presentation. Eatable. Finger licking, tastable. Remember, please, Jamaican cooking, like and share. Guys, recipe nice, man. I'm telling you, like, tastable, eatable. Fling with the fork can't hold me right now. I'm on me if I use it right now. So, recipe just nice. Dumpling hot still, but you don't know me there. I go on myself. I know, see me I eat it and thing.